इट्स लाइक खाने में क्या है तुम बना रही हो मैं बना रहा हूँ फ्रिज में क्या
Yes.
रखा है फेंकना क्या है ग्रोसरीज के लिए क्या ला
Yes.
माई थिंग इज habits build relationships more than like a feeling will
Yes.
like it's like going to the gym like
Yeah.
like on the day when you don't want to show up like a reminder that you have to or that you should is more important than to be like nahi main ghar because what happens is like even with my friends right I travel so much and I'm very out of sight out of mind object permanence
Okay.
if they're not there I'm not thinking about them and when I get a phone call from like even family members I almost have like a moment of annoyance where I'm like क्यों तंग कर रहे हैं मुझे लंदन के बीच में खड़ा हूँ शो पे चढ़ने वाला हूँ स्टेज पे चढ़ने वाला हूँ यहाँ पे मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि क्राउड वर्क क्या करना है उससे पहले अभी मैं कल का ट्रैवल प्लान बताऊँ यहाँ पे मेरी बहन को लाइक तो बट सो देन आई विल ईदर नॉट पिक अप or I'll cut the call and then wait 30 seconds and I'll take a breath so that I can show up properly
Yeah.
and then call back or just not call back until the next day and this has made people mad कि तू नहीं phone उठाता and I'm like but उस mood में नहीं उठाना चाहिए
Yes.
like let me be in a state where I can show up for you then let me call you no
Yeah.
but in order to remedy this where because I'm traveling so much I am not in contact with a lot of people that are important to me I have tried to bring people into my life for functional reasons. So my best friend in Toronto, she doesn't have Amazon Prime. She's on my Amazon Prime.
Oh.
उसका क्रेडिट कार्ड मेरे वाले से लिंक्ड है एंड वो मेरे में लॉग इन करती है उसका कभी कभार लॉग आउट हो जाता है कभी वो पासवर्ड भूल जाती है कभी उसका
And also you can keep tabs on what she's ordering.
नो वो सब मैं नहीं करता मैं अपना मुझे नहीं पता मैंने अमेजोन पे लास्ट क्या ऑर्डर किया था ऑल्सो 4 लोग हैं मेरे अमेजोन अकाउंट पे किस किस को ट्रैक करूँ
Exactly. Yeah.
तो वो कभी कभार वो कार्ट में खोद डाल देती है ऑर्डर करने के लिए मुझे बोल देती है कभी कभार वो लॉग आउट हो जाती है पासवर्ड मांगती है बोलती है घर आ जा लॉग इन करने के लिए क्योंकि 2 फैक्टर वेरिफिकेशन कहाँ से करेगा एंड देन कभी कभार शी जस्ट सेंड मी अ लिंक एंड बी लाइक कैन यू ऑर्डर दिस
Yeah.
Yeah.
now none of these things are important but what happens is if I'm not thinking about people which I usually don't think about people very much when she texts me I'll be like of course I'll order it and then I'll be like how are you
Yeah.
That creates that conversation
so
between
it just like you're giving yourself opportunities and reasons to stay connected with people in your life for functional reasons right and when people go like oh I want this intensity in my relationship and I want this seriousness in my relationship I want like good morning and good night texts after date 1 before date 2 like क्योंकि अभी मेरा सारा attraction है मुझे तो and I'm like but people text each other all the time every day because their lives are functionally connected if you're married you're not talking to each other all day because oh my god feelings it's like खाने में क्या है तुम बना रही हो मैं बना रहा हूँ फ्रिज में क्या
Yes.
रखा है फेंकना क्या है ग्रोसरीज के लिए क्या ला
Yes.
your lives are connected for functional reasons
Yeah.
so without building that you're expecting the same level of intensity just to be like मेरे को ये दिखेगा तब मैं डिसाइड करूंगा या करूंगी कि ये रिलेशनशिप चल सकती है या नहीं चल सकती है एंड आई एम लाइक बट तुम एंड रिजल्ट शुरू में मांग रहे हो इन्वेस्टमेंट जीरो तो
No habits built. Nothing in common. Nothing.
But then that leads me to ask you a question. How do you like initiate relationships? I mean, you can't expect to have that functionality when you're just starting to talk to someone, right?
slowly
So how do you do that gradually? Like if someone expects something from you and if you by your theory of functionality, how do you incorporate that in the initial phases of
Have you
talking
been in
to
a
someone?
long-term relationship before?
no
My question is invalid then.
Invalid question. Invalid group of people.
I have not been in a long term romantic relationship
Friendships, so then.
तेरे कौन से दोस्त है तेरे Amazon अकाउंट पे
I do share one with my sister, so she will always ask me.
हाँ बहन से तो बात होगी नहीं ना तेरे Amazon पे नहीं हुई तो
धृतिका है मेरे Netflix पे धृतिका है
धृतिका है इसके Netflix पे.
वो तो मेरे
Our friendship is also more than just function.
yeah bro धृतिका will randomly call me and she'll be like
Dhritika is our fourth.
fourth
I
one,
see.
Yeah.
she'll randomly call me and she'll be like किधर है तू and I'll be like in the office like अच्छा सुन मैं जीपे मैं तुझे QR कोड भेजती हूँ तू जीपे कर देना मैं तुझे घर पे आके कैश दूंगी because she does not have a GPay
Oh,
account
she doesn't have a GPay.
I do this with my sister
Oh.
yeah
क्योंकि मेरा यहाँ पे UPI ID नहीं है
yes
तो कभी गलती से अगर UPI करना होता है उबर वाले को क्योंकि उसको क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्रेडिट कार्ड पे उबर ऑर्डर करो तो वो कैंसिल कर देते हैं उनको कैश में पेमेंट चाहिए
Yeah.
which is the only drawback of technological advancement.
It's not a drawback if you have GPay, bro. GPay is so good.
I know. That's why I said only drawback, na. That if you don't have it, you're shit out of luck.
Yeah, I get.
Hi guys, अगर तुम लोग को ये clip अच्छी लगी है, then you can watch this entire video on VR Besharam's channel. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel as well as that channel. And we'll see you in the comments. Bye.